all of you guys, so just follow me. I'll give you a quick rundown of how things work as we walk along here. Basically, a party is the owner of a party jam, and we just listen to everything he says. Also, we need to make swag at the mall. Okay, so the first thing you need to do if you want to be a part of a party jam is just look at the party. So let's start that off by opening up your inventory. Okay, so you have the two main colors here, and on the next tab are the eyes, and on the last tab is the pattern. So don't make your colors just like a party, because we're also going to give you an official party tattoo if you're not from Disneyland or something like that. And once you have all of that done, just press the X button, and then you will get your first achievement, which is called a party of swag. And now everybody seems to think that you look swag. How do you feel about that, bro? Show me what you think of the emote. Okay, don't worry. Most people are probably confused when they first join the party jam, and you get the hang of it soon. But for now, have some free jam parties. That is the currency that we have here, and you can use it to buy top hats, beards, and everything that a party is. How many jam parties did you find? Let's check it out. Awesome. You'll find more ways to spend your jam parties as you play a party jam, and there's just a lot of things to spend it on, like parties and everything like that. So yeah, I think you're ready now to explore a party jam on your own. Clark, open the gates! Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed that fun little bit.
I did enjoy it. And if you're wondering, how about if you